Hi everybody, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit more work on the kitchen area, just a few final touches to make it look a little bit better. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So today what I'm going to be doing is, this is the old backsplash from behind the cooker, and as you can see there's a big gaping hole there. That was on purpose. I need access behind there, be able to disconnect the cooker and things like that. But I've got a new splashback to go on, and the boarding I've got to cover. I'm going to be using Lino because I think it will match the theme of what I'm doing, and it should be nice and quick and easy to fit. I'm also going to be putting it behind this area here as well. I'm finishing off that, and also the steps I'm going to be facing with the Lino and giving the steps some finish as well to make them look a lot better. Okay, so we've got the Lino in place on both sides. That's looking great. And now we're going to fit the backsplash. So let's get that done. So backsplash is now installed. I've just got to do a couple of trims down the side, edging around to finish the edges, a bit around that corner. That side's done, just some trims again to finish that. Now I'm going to get on with the steps and try and make them look something. So now I've completed that job. I've got a little bit of a wait until I can do the rest of the trims because I need to rip them down because I've been making all my own trims. But let me show you, have a look, see what you think. I think it looks great. It's definitely going into the right direction that I want it to look like. And thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.